They put APC, Peter will be APC, and they put Bola.
Hello guys, we are still on the Nigerian presidential election updates. So it's happened that from the results that have been announced so far, Nigerians are calling out on INEC that they are corrupt, that these results have been tampered with, that it's been rigged. There have been so many cases, videos coming online, as an evidence to show that these results have been rigged. There are cases where a professor was seen rewriting results. A professor that is a lecturer in a university. Can you imagine that? Being involved in rigging of election after everything the previous government or the outgoing government have done to this country. There are also cases whereby the results uploaded on their portal were not actually results, but someone's face, just a face of a person. Then a case whereby the results, two results, was bearing APC, where one is supposed to be Labour Party and the other APC. So people are suspecting all these things. All these errors are not coincidences. INEC have done something and people are calling them out. I will play some videos so that you will see various occasions where the people are calling on the INEC that they have rigged these results with evidences, with video evidences. I'm going to play some videos for you so that you see for yourself and judge from your own end. Are these not enough evidences to show that this election have been rigged?
They put APC, Peter will be APC, and they put Bola Tinubu APC for Ekiti. Look at it. Can you imagine? Look at the time. See APC. Tinubu with Ekiti State, but see 11,297. See another APC, and this is supposed to be Labour Party.
Madam, how did you do this collation? With who did you do this collation? Only a PC agent with her. Madam, how did you do this?
Nigerian Electoral Commission, INEC. You guys are wicked. Hello. We knew you would rig this election the moment you were using beavers for accreditation, but then you gave people paper ballots to vote. Why not equip the beavers to record people's vote? It already has their information and you could transmit it immediately to your server. But no, it's because of what you wanted to do. Several polling units uploaded videos where they were celebrating Peter Obi's win, but on your website, we started seeing a different number. You are uploading pictures of handwritten results in 2023. Even Kenyan Electoral Commission was uploading results electronically live. Everybody in the world could see it. In fact, you have to create an account on INEC's website before you can see results, and what you will see will be pictures of paper results. And right now the server is down. And people came out to vote this time around too. Highest turnout we've seen in a long time. People suffered. Many of them were there till after midnight trying to protect their vote. Upon everything, you are changing numbers. Niger, we are not ready.
And the funny thing is that the results that they are bringing from this, see one feeling but Atiku room there. Iṣẹ́ tó ń ṣe yẹn is ìdè iṣẹ́ yẹn iṣẹ́. Rivers, yes.
Why are you talking like this
now? He's actually telling you facts.
We were searching for you. You went into hiding. Now,
and then I want Tipex everywhere. Kolo. No, it's the truth, Kolo. Yes, the thing he's doing is wrong because we are seeing the results here and not the results we had at the polling units. And he needs to stop what he's doing because he's not entering everything into the master sheet for the beavers. Yes. Gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ ń ṣe yìí sí ó ti wà invalid already. Now lórí beavers and then gbogbo result tó enter and see láti gbàtà kátó wá síbi àti ṣe now.
Just 2 units láti ṣe ń gbà yẹn.
Yes, then wọ́n wá missing gbogbo result tó enter and be it's not what happened at the polling units. Kò lọ ẹja tiẹ̀ ṣe báyìí ẹja lo beavers. Yeah, ẹja lo beavers.
Ẹ máa gbọ́.
No, but it's the truth. Odolonso, because what he change results. What he change results. What he change results. Gbogbo ẹ̀, àti gbogbo kini ìsìn, irọ́ ni. Gbogbo ẹ̀, irọ́ ni. Yes, we do.
Bring it out and compare it with what is on the ground.
It doesn't matter. The Beavers has the results. Let's go and get the Beavers. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni o, nǹkan tó ṣe é sí kò lọ. Nǹkan tó ṣe é sí kò lọ. What he's doing now is not correct. He's entering manual results, and it's not what we did at the polling units. They are entering manual results, and it's not what we did at the polling units. And he's entering it into the master sheets, and he's doing it from look at all the TPEX that are in C, and they expect us to keep quiet about it. We told him to get the Beavers machine. Let's start entering from the Beavers, which is what we started doing from the other polling units. He says no. But look at all the TPEX we are seeing every.